In this video, we will demonstrate powerful new features and improvements available in FortiAnalyzer 7.6. FortiAI is a generative AI assistant that allows security operations teams to offload their workload. For example here, users can query for the top threat within the past 24 hours. The AI assistant determined that the TCP DES session threat is the top threat. Now, you can continue to ask other follow-up questions to continue to explore the AI assistant, as it can interact with the different modules within FortiAnalyzer to provide you with the best security information. FortiAnalyzer 7.6 has a new dashboard to make SOC operations more efficient and effective. You can explore these widgets to stay on top of your security needs. First, we have the Summary widget. It highlights the most severe incidents, giving you instant insight into critical issues. Next, there's the Outbreak Alerts section. Clicking here drills down to the Alerts table, displaying only detected outbreak alerts for quick access to crucial information. On the Summary widget, you'll also find information on compromised hosts, users, and devices, all in one place. The Events Map widget is animated to show top alerts and affected endpoints in near real time, keeping you updated on the latest threats. The Incident Category widget is interactive. Click on a bubble to view the incident table filtered by that category, making it easy to analyze specific types of incidents. The Top Incident widget allows for deeper investigation. Clicking on an entry in the table takes you to the detailed incident page, providing all the information you need about each incident. The Event Incident Sankey chart is a powerful tool for visualizing data flows to display the critical events associated with different devices. Finally, the Connector Health widget provides a streamlined view of all active connectors, ensuring you have a comprehensive overview of your network's connections. FortiAnalyzer 7.6 optimizes workflows for security operations. The incident page has been revamped to integrate the incidents and MITRE features, making all necessary information accessible in one place. One of the standout features is the new pie charts, which show the severity, status, and category of the incidents. You can easily filter incidents by selecting a value on any chart, which updates the incident list. We've also added new columns to the incident list, including incident name, indicators, and incident reporter, to provide more detailed information at a glance. For your convenience, you can now export the entire incident list as a CSV file by using the Export Tables as CSV option under the More menu. When investigating an incident, you can utilize the Analysis page. Upon accessing the page, the Incident widget offers a quick snapshot of critical details, such as incident number, incident name, and severity of the incident. The Action menu is packed with essential features, ensuring quick access to commonly performed tasks. You can customize the incident layout, generate reports for future analysis, or export the incident as a PDF file. Moving down to the Incident Analysis page, you'll find widgets displaying detailed information, including affected endpoints, timelines of the incidents, details of the events, audit history, and incident indicators. These widgets provide a comprehensive view to help thorough incident analysis. For robust SOC operations, FortiAnalyzer 7.6 leverages FortiGuard and VirusTotal enrichment services to assess the risk associated with indicators. To enrich an indicator, simply right-click on it and select the new Enrich option. The indicator enrichment page is divided into two main sections: FortiGuard CTS and VirusTotal Summary. The FortiGuard CTS section provides comprehensive details about the indicator, including IOC confidence and category, as well as antivirus and web filter categories. The VirusTotal Summary section offers a risk summary of the detection, along with detailed information about the indicator. The FortiAnalyzer 7.6 email dashboard is designed for monitoring email activities within your network using FortiMail logs. The dashboard features a wide range of widgets that provide valuable insights, including an email utilization widget that tracks daily email usage to understand your network's email traffic patterns. There are also widgets to show statistics on spam emails and malicious file or URL attacks to stay ahead of potential threats. Top email senders widgets that identify the top email senders who have sent emails containing malware, phishing links, or spam. Additionally, for a comprehensive view of email usage, the dashboard offers email bandwidth and count widgets that monitor email bandwidth usage and email counts to ensure optimal network performance. Finally, there are top senders and recipients widgets that show the top email senders and recipients by size and counts to gain insights into your network's communication flow. The FortiAnalyzer 7.6 IoT dashboard is a powerful tool that provides a comprehensive overview of your IoT devices and their statistics. You will find widgets displaying total and newly identified IoT devices, along with detailed breakdowns by category and vendor. Most importantly, the dashboard features widgets that highlight vulnerabilities detected based on device type and vendor, ensuring you stay informed and secure. FortiAnalyzer 7.6 introduces a new C-Suite SD-WAN report, focusing on high-level key performance indicators for SD-WAN. The executive summary provides an overview of SD-WAN status, including availability and bandwidth utilization. It also highlights the number of sites experiencing link outages, link degradations, or complete site outages. Subsequent sections offer detailed insights into SD-WAN sites with the worst performance, based on various factors including service level agreements or link status. The log view on FortiAnalyzer serves as a centralized location for log analysis. The All tab consolidates normalized logs from all devices, including Fortinet and third-party logs. The Fortinet Logs tab specifically integrates logs from Fortinet devices, allowing easy filtering via product icons. A list of Fortinet products indicates FortiAnalyzer integration status within the security fabric.